Hi there, welcome back to Fast Tracks Academy. In this training, we're going to dive into raffle campaigns, specifically the total dollar based reward type. Raffle campaigns are a fun way to get your customers engaged by giving them the chance to win a prize just for shopping. A raffle campaign is designed to motivate customers by awarding them digital raffle entries when they meet specific goals during your campaign period. Those entries give them a chance to win prizes you've set up. Think of it as turning shopping into a game. It keeps customers excited and coming back. When the raffle period ends, you can run a raffle report in the control center to randomly select the winner. This gives you the flexibility in how you award the prizes, whether it's tokens, a free product, or whatever you plan to offer as a raffle prize. The total dollar-based reward type works by tracking how much a customer spends in total during a set period. To set up this raffle campaign, once logged into the control center, click the Loyalty button, Campaigns, and Add New. For the trigger type, we'll select Raffle, and for the raffle type, we'll select Raffle Total Dollar Based. For example, we can set up a raffle campaign for a free item when a customer spends $500 during a campaign period. Once their total purchases reach the trigger amount, they will automatically earn a digital raffle entry. This setup is great for driving overall sales and encouraging repeat visits. Customers will keep coming back because they know every purchase is helping them reach that raffle entry goal. In our name field, we're going to enter spend $500 and earn a raffle entry for an exclusive event. Next, we'll add in our description. Both the name and the description will be visible to the customers on the loyalnsave app and the web portal. For the store type, choose if this campaign will be available for purchases made online, in-store, or both. For our example, we're going to choose store and online. And always remember to set your campaign to active so your campaign will trigger during the selected schedule time. Next is the trigger amount. This is the total overall purchase amount needed to trigger a digital raffle entry in the campaign's scheduled timeframe. And for the trigger on option, you can choose to trigger raffle entries based on store visits or a trigger value that you define. For our example, we're going to use the trigger value option. With this option, you can predefine the items customers need to purchase to earn raffle entries. If your campaign has age-restricted products, make sure you enable the age-restricted topics. It is important to remain compliant, so your campaign alerts are only sent to age-verified customers. Since our campaign is going to be on wine purchases, I'll select the age-restricted products. You can add a tag to make it easier to organize your campaign and quickly find it later. Moving on to the Schedule tab, here you can select the start and end date for your raffle campaign. The total dollars spent by customers on qualifying purchases during this time frame will earn them a digital raffle entry. You can also limit the days of the week that customers can participate in this campaign. You can do this by toggling on the Use Schedule option. For example, you can only allow customers to earn digital raffle entries during specific days and times throughout the week. Up next is our Option tab. Here are some other important settings to fine-tune how your campaign functions. Particularly for our raffle campaign, we're just going to look at a few. One option is you can require your customers to register for this campaign to participate. This way, you can drive traffic to all other features on your loyalnsave app. Next, make sure you add your campaign image here. This will make your campaign more visually appealing and entice your customer to participate. Now let's explain the stackable feature. With it toggled to yes, this campaign can work in conjunction with other campaigns that share the same item whitelist. For example, you can also have a campaign running that gives static tokens to the same products in our campaign filters. Now let's go to our Marketing tab. Here you can define who will receive campaign notifications through the loyalnsave app. In our example, we can go into our Manage Interest options and select the wine category. This will send out notifications for those that chose this category during the customer interest survey. From here, you will also see options for age, gender, and location groups. You can also assign this campaign to specific stores by selecting the Assign Location dropdown and making your selection. But for our example, we'll assign this campaign to all locations. Now let's manage our campaign filters. Make the selection from the dropdown, click the Add Filter, then click Manage. In our campaign example, we'll be selecting the wine department as our department whitelist. By doing so, any sales from our wine department will count towards the total dollars needed to earn a digital raffle entry. And that's the total dollar-based raffle campaign. These are essential settings you'll want to look at when setting up this campaign type. Once it's running, your customers are motivated to spend more and you're building excitement around your brand. It's simple to set up, fun for our customers, and a powerful tool to increase sales. For more campaign tips and tricks, Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS, and continue learning with FastTrax Academy. See you on our next video.